Subscribe Adam Tech to get new video notification and don't forget to press bell icon. I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about file positioner in Talend Data Studio. So how do you work on file positioner? In this video I'm going to explain. So in my last video there I discussed about how to load flat file data into another flat file. So for file positioner, right click, hereafter go to create file positioner. Now here let's give meaningful name. So at here writing file positioner. So if you want, then here you can give purpose and description, both are optional. Now let's click on next. And hereafter you have to browse the file. Suppose if I browse the file at here TT. Okay. So first I'm going to also use the record inside TT. So let's go to at our desktop. Here you can find TT. So this is the record inside TT. Okay. Now here after if I see at here this is the TT forms. Now here after you can select other option like UTF-8. So if I select at here is Windows, so nothing at here changes more. Now here after the next field position must be specified. So okay, suppose at here DPT number I'm going to place at this number. Right, DPT number at here. Okay. So this position now here after this is for DNAME. Now if I click on next. Now here after this is the preview. So the data is not coming in the suitable format. So what we need to do at here, we need to do the modification on the file. So let's go to cancel, and hereafter I'm going to show you the another file. So this file, it has the data in the right format, means a very long distance. I have separated every columns are separated. So if I browse, if I means to use this files, so right click again, hereafter create positional, and hereafter let's write F file. So this is the file name. Now hereafter click on next. Now hereafter browse the file. So this is the file position at here. The name is at here txt. Now click on open. Now this time it's looking fine. So let's give at here this one or DP number one separate, and here this is for at here dname, and this for location. Now click on next. So it's a previewing. Now right now it's all looking fine. So since if you give idea, if you check at your file positioner in suitable format, then you will definitely get at your suitable position among the columns. Now hereafter set at here heading rows preview. Click on at here preview. Now at here this is at here DPT number, DNAME and log. Now hereafter click on next. Click on next. If you want, then here you can change the column key. So this is the DPT number 10th and here 6. Now here let's give T file positional. So this is the file name. If you want, then here you can give the comment. Now click on finish. Now at here T file positioner it's created, and it has 3 columns: DPT number and DNAME and log. So this is the way we can import any or text file by using file positioner in Talend Open Studio for data integration.